Hi, Cobblestone Crocs, Miss Felino here, and I am bringing you this week's edition of our grammar skills. This week, we're going to be taking a look at conjunctions of contrast. Our objective throughout the week is we will work on writing complete sentences using subordinating conjunctions of contrast to connect two clauses. What will we do this week? Nice job. The part of speech that we're focusing on this week is conjunctions. More importantly, it is subordinating, which is a specific type of conjunctions. So the first thing we need to look at, if you look down, we need to use some clauses this week. So a clause is a subject plus a verb. Remember, our subject is going to contain a noun, and a noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Okay, so each clause is going to need a subject and then a verb. And a verb is a word that shows physical action, mental action, or a state of being. So when we build our sentences, we're going to need a clause, our conjunction, and another clause. The subordinating conjunctions that we are going to use this week are but. When we use but, it joins together two unlike items. Whereas joins together unlike but parallel items. So parallel means like they're similar. And then we're also going to use although, though, and even though, which show a contrary result. Why do we use subordinating conjunctions of contrast? We use subordinating conjunctions of contrast to connect two clauses or ideas showing a contrastive relationship. The clause that begins with the subordinating conjunction gives information about the difference from the independent clause. Let's take a look at our two formulas and some examples this week. Our first formula has clause 1. Remember, your clause needs to contain a subject and a verb, plus your subordinating conjunction, and then you're going to add on your second clause, which again contains a subject and a verb. An example of Formula 1 is, my sister's dog runs with her every day, whereas mine prefers to nap indoors. And you can see we have a picture of a dog that is running and a dog that is napping. So the dogs like to do two different types of things, but the dogs are similar. Formula 2 starts with our subordinating conjunction, then it adds clause 1, and then clause 2. An example of that is, even though my dog was tired, she still exercised with me. And you can see in my first picture, my dog's tired. In the second picture, the dog is exercising. That's it for this week's edition of Conjunctions of Contrast. Please make sure you review the concept chart every day before you start your grammar lesson. If you need to rewatch the video, just click on the link. Have a great day.